So I want to show you another quick video. I see this quite often in a lot of attic space, is that you can tell by the language of the construction that something's very mediocre, amateurish. So you can see where this support here goes up and down, right? And then you got another one over there. Well, first of all, these are improper supports. And you can tell, just being careful where I step on, of how they're actually secured. A professional would actually notch these out to match the sheathing boards to the roof. And they're just nailed. But what makes this intriguing is that the wood here on a lot of these are defective. So I'm pushing in more than 1/4 inch on this wood here, and all the way up. They put 2x4s as supports. What they should do is put 2x6s, and then some of them they didn't even go down all the way. So the fire travels upward, and then they don't have the supports going down all the way. And sometimes this happens because a structural engineer, which I know didn't come here, would not approve this. And the reason why they go short is because it's not charred down here as it is up here. So with that being said, they don't go down all the way. But it should be a 2x6, not a 2x4. And they hodgepodge 1x6 here, 1x6 here, to a 2x4 on the other side. And then they nailed it. They nailed it here, and then down over here. They just nailed it. So the proper way of doing this is to brace this to the full length, 2x6, going all the way up. Sometimes you can do it on both sides if it needs it. And then instead of nailing it, you would actually bolt it to the other side with a washer on this side. Because what's that holding in? You know, I'm pushing on this right now. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a nail sticking out right there. And that's all that's holding it. I mean, you can literally start picking this stuff away. So, just wanted to show you that attics that have this kind of fire, and it's really bad up there, I bet you I can go in maybe a 1/2 inch. And that's all that's putting is this collar tie going across here. I think it's inadequate, so I'll write it up.